Hello from the beautiful beach here in Dorset. My name is Catherine Baldwin and I am on a mission to help you love yourself, love your life and find love. I believe those three things are connected, so that if we love ourselves, if we truly love ourselves and connect to ourselves on a deep level, and if we can create a life that we truly love, we will be able to find love and form a healthy and loving relationship. So I'm going to be talking about this in London on February the 28th. It's a talk called Love Yourself, Love Your Life, Find Love. It's a similar talk to the one I did on Monday the 12th of February with Psychologies magazine. That talk was sold out, so if you missed the opportunity to come along, please do join me on February the 28th. It's in central London at 7 o'clock. howtofallinlove.co.uk, you'll find all the information and how to buy tickets. I'd love you to come and join me. I also have talks in March and in April in London, and I have a new retreat down here in Dorset in May. I'm also offering VIP beach brainstorming days, which is an opportunity for you to come down here, enjoy this beautiful scenery, change your environment, get out of your head, into your heart and into your body, and explore where you might be going wrong in your relationships and what isn't working in your life. I would love the opportunity to explore that with you. If you'd like to know more about me, go to howtofallinlove.co.uk. I am also the author of How to Fall in Love, a 10-Step Journey to the Heart, which has just been re-released, revised with a new chapter about my engagement. So my story, as some of you know, isn't straightforward. It involves recovery from an eating disorder and addictive behaviours, from workaholism, from being sort of stuck in a job that I no longer loved and really struggling to change that. It involves many years of dating disasters and unhealthy relationships and running away from the good relationships, fear of commitment. It involves recovery from all those behaviours and a journey of inner transformation. I believe change is possible. I believe that we can transform, and it begins on the inside. If you would like some support with your inner transformation, if you would like to learn to love yourself more consistently, to create a life that you love, that might look something like this, or it might look quite different, and to find a healthy and loving relationship, I would love to hear from you. Go to catherine@catherinebaldwin.com or send me an email and I can have a free discovery call with you to see if we are right for each other when it comes to coaching. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.